Okay, cellos. This is our training video for creatures. Okay, let's take a look at our key signature. First thing you always need to look at, and we see that there's two sharps there, F sharp and C sharp. Okay, and our meter is 4/4, 4 beats in a measure. And we start here. You notice there's a lot of down bows in a lot of these lines, so we're going to have a lot of retakes. Okay, over and over and over. Okay, excuse me. In measure 4, we have a first finger A, but there's a sharp on it, and there's a second finger marked. So you're going to play an A sharp with 2, and then, okay? So that's how you play that A sharp. That happens over and over, repeats a number of times. And notice that you're going to see, like in measure 14, there's a natural sign on the C because it's supposed to be a C sharp, but we have a C natural, which is going to be a little bit easier on that left hand. And measure 19, you're going to see an E with a low one for the sharp or extension. Okay? And let's see, any other kinds of things here that are new? You have some ups in measure 20. Watch your bowing there. Some dynamic changes around like 25, starting soft, crescendoing. Okay? And when you get down to 44, there's two parts here. I want you to take the bigger note, okay, the lower note. Now, the lower note, you're going to see a 3 with a 4 plus. Now let me give you a little tip here. Let's do something a little differently than the music's marked. 3 is an E, okay? But when you have an F sharp, you need to do an extension. So instead of playing a 3 for the E, let's put a 2 in there. Okay, here's where our 3 normally is. We're going to put a 2 there, extension. Okay, so we're going to use this second finger to help us reach that extension, so we're going to extend 2 and extend 4 both. That way, those notes are reachable and they sound great. And then on the end, you'll notice we have a pizzicato on 54 and 55. So 54 is going to be soft, and 55 is going to be ultra soft. Okay? Kind of mysterious, sneaky. Because our creatures are leaving. They're going to sound like they're leaving. Okay, so here we go. This is from the very beginning. Now we're not going to go really crazy fast. We're just going to take this nice working speed to get these notes under our fingers and everything kind of working. We know what we're doing. We're just learning this. So here's our tempo. About 1, 3, ready, on your mark and go. Rest, 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 rest. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Rest. 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 And kind of a pattern here, repeating pattern. We did this before. And rest. 2, 4, and rest. 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 2, 3. Rest. 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 Same thing at the beginning. just like that. We're kind of repeating this whole thing. Retake. Nice and firm. Heavy bow. Rest. 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 Extension. Extension. Rest. Rest. Extension again. Rest. 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 Now that's an F natural, so actually you don't need to do the extension there. 2, 3, 4.